We made it! We're at the campsite. Now, we have our tent for this activity. You make a tent. You can take a real tent or 2 chairs, a blanket. Whoops! You have a tent. Beautiful.
Nice tent.
Okay, so different things to do around the campsite. Who wants to get water? I want to get water.
I want to get water.
Okay. So everybody, getting water.
Getting water.
Who wants to play cards? I want to play cards.
I want to play cards.
Okay. Everybody, playing cards.
Playing cards.
Okay. Who wants to cook dinner?
I want to cook dinner.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Cooking dinner.
Cooking dinner.
Who wants to go fishing?
I want to go fishing.
Yeah, go. Get ready. Fishing.
Fishing.
And who wants to play the guitar?
I want to play that.
Ah, all right. Playing the guitar.
Playing the guitar.
Okay. So, everybody?
Yeah.
When I say 1, 2, 3, you do your job, okay? Getting water, cooking dinner, and 1, 2, 3.
Cooking dinner.
Yeah, okay.
Getting water.
Fishing.
Playing cards.
Playing guitar.
Okay, cool. Now, I will go in the tent and ask what everyone is doing. Oops, sorry. I need to get in the tent. Okay, I'm in the tent. Oh, I'm sleepy. Now, 1, 2, 3. Jan, what are you doing?
I'm playing cards.
Okay, Andrea, what are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
Carol, what are you doing?
I'm fishing.
Erwan, what are you doing?
I'm getting water.
Stephanie, what are you doing?
I'm playing guitar.
Okay, so now I know. Here I am. Now I know everyone's job, so I'll ask. Andrea, what is Jan doing? So remember, is Jan he or she? He. So he is playing cards. Everybody, he is playing cards. One time. So Andrea, what is Jan doing?
Jan, he is playing cards.
Okay, Andrea, what is Carol doing?
She is fishing.
Okay, so I'll go in the tent again and I'll ask you. Don't make a mistake. Hide your cards, but do the gesture.
Okay.
Okay, and oops, sorry, in the tent. It's not a very practical tent. Okay, I'm in, okay. And Jan, what is Stephanie doing?
Stephanie,
She
is playing guitar.
Okay. Carol, what is Erwan doing?
He is getting water.
Yeah. Erwan, what is Andrea doing? She
is cooking.
Cooking
Dinner.
Yeah.
Nice accent.
Stephanie, what is Jan doing?
He is playing cards.
Okay. Erwan, what is Carol doing?
She is fishing.
Okay. Carol, what is Andrea doing?
She is cooking dinner.
Okay. Hey, no one made a mistake. Okay. Now, the thing is, you want one person at some point to make a mistake or not. It depends, but at some point you can come up and change cards, and just based on gestures or from what they remember, the kids have to make a sentence. Okay, so Ben, what is Jan doing? Jan is fishing. Okay, imagine he's fishing. Okay, so with a bigger group you get a lot more action, but with a small group, don't hesitate to change. Thanks a lot, and don't forget your tent. Bye!
Bye.